Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your verification code is not received. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, whatever you're on, and you're trying to get a verification code sent to your device, but you're not getting that verification code text message, I'll walk you through a bunch of different steps to check and make sure that you get that code to your phone. So the very first thing what we'll do is we'll head into our settings here. And then once we're in settings, we will scroll down until we find messages, and you can tap on messages. There are a bunch of things that we'll do in here and make sure that you have the right settings so that you get the code when it's texted to you. We can toggle off iMessage here and then wait about like 10 seconds or so and then toggle it back on. And you can see waiting for activation shows up right under it. And then eventually it will be activated. So you've toggled off and reactivated iMessage, which helps to kind of reset things if there's some kind of issue with your iMessage. Now, if we scroll down a little bit, you'll see send as SMS, which is a normal text message. So if you don't receive that code from iMessage, which usually you don't, usually it's through text message, you'll want send as SMS toggled on. So if that is toggled off, make sure that's toggled on so you can get an SMS regular text message with that code. Now again, we'll scroll down a bit and you can see filter unknown senders. We'll want to make sure that's toggled off, because if that's toggled on, it will filter the sender or the bot that sends you that text message verification code and put it someplace else, and you don't necessarily want that to be filtered. So you want to make sure you turn filter unknown senders off. Now, the very last thing on here that we will do is we will go to blocked contacts. So tap on blocked contacts and you can see I have tons and tons of blocked contacts. But what you'll want to do potentially is go through here and tap edit at the top right and delete out any of these blocked contacts that you think potentially might be sending you verification codes. So a lot of times verification codes come from not normal phone numbers. They come from shorter numbers. Let's see if I can find some of those shorter numbers. It could be like 4 digits or something like that. I can't necessarily find any because I don't usually block those verification code bots. But if you see any like this one, 645-56, I can unblock that number because that's probably an automated bot that's sending me that text message. So go through the list and make sure that you haven't blocked any numbers that could be sending you that verification code. Now, the very last thing that I recommend doing is just swiping down from the top right here and making sure your do not disturb is turned off. So if you turn this on, then you won't get that text message. You can see I have it turned on because I'm recording this right now, but you want to make sure you toggle it off so that you get those text messages when you're sent to you. Otherwise, it will just silence all notifications, silence all text messages if you're getting them. And the very last thing that you can do is hold down the volume up and power button, and then you can slide to power off, and then restart your phone. And by doing all of those steps, you should be able to get those verification code text messages to your phone and get back into your account. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.